These are the report from the Russian Ministry of Defense on the status of the special military operation in Ukraine on September 8, 2022. The armed forces of Ukraine, units that serve as the attack group's core, suffered significant losses. Hence, Ukrainian forces haven't conducted any offensive action in Nikolayev-Krivoy Rog direction. Russian missile units, artillery, and aerospace forces continue to launch pinpoint attacks at armed forces of Ukrainian units to reserve forces in indicated direction. The 63rd Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine command post near Beresnovotoye, Nikolayev region, the 46th Air Mobile, 57th Mechanized Infantry, and 28th Mechanized Brigades of the Armed Forces of Manpower and Military Hardware near Sukhoi Stavok, Petrovskoye, Plotinskoye landmark